hard life being a parent. You know, you're busy all the time. You gotta think about things. You gotta make sure everything's in order on the underneath things that people don't see. You know.
Oh no! Look at you! Leave my shoes alone.
Yeah. Oh, so you think it's just cool, huh? You just living lavishly out here. Fred chilling back in the driver's seat again. He almost put us in jail last time. Animal control was on the prowl, looking for him behind the wheel. But I guess I just go on over and, you know what I mean? It's just, well, that's hard, man. It's honest work, though. It's honest work. I'm just doing what I gotta do out here. But I'll talk to y'all later, man. Praise God.
Surprised you don't have your mask on.
I don't have my mask on?
Yeah.
You want me to walk into Walgreens with a mask on, man?
I don't know.
You see this? See how chocolate I am? You can't walk out with no mask on. There's a bologna sandwich on top of it.
Yeah, with the bologna. Half of it.
You decided to partake in such a morsel.
Look, I was hungry.
That's crazy.
Something's wrong with Pearl.
Why?
Because she don't be starting up correctly.
You have to put your foot on the brake.
It'd be like, curt, wrong. That's what it'd be like.
Hold your foot on the brake first. And you turn the key.
No, listen. Why to do that?
Every car starts different.
But look, if you put it in reverse.
Whoa, Bucko, whoa! Let me in first.
It got.
If you put it in reverse, I'm outside the car.
Confident as you once have.
Girl, I don't even hear no ad.
It's a commercial, not an ad.
We gonna have this debate.
It's a commercial.
You know I'm gonna win.
It's a commercial, not an ad.
What are commercials doing?
Advertising.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Oh,
So isn't it the same thing? Tell me it's not. Tell me it's not.
So when you see like a Geico advertisement in a newspaper, you call that commercial?
Yes. A commercial is like on TV or something.
What is this?
It's
What is
the
that?
radio.
A commercial is an advertisement that's actively doing something. An advertisement is a still image of a sale.
No, we're making that up. I have no way to verify.
So the billboards are what?
I have
Commercials?
No way to verify.
Billboards are commercials,
It's
then,
an
right?
ad.
So, that's a commercial on your shirt, right?
Is it advertising something?
It's an ad. You don't call those things the
I
ads
called
commercials.
it an ad. You called it a commercial.
I know. This is moving. This is a commercial. It's
no,
saying something. Yes.
It's an ad.
No, an ad.
Commercials are doing what?
Then why do you
They're
call them?
advertising.
Then why do you call a still image an ad?
This is not a still image.
On your shirt, is that a commercial or an ad?
We were talking about the radio. Why are you changing the
That's
subject?
commercial. That's 100%. I'm giving an example as to what an advertisement is. An advertisement is like 50% off. A commercial is like, Geico, are you in good hands?
They're both ads. They're both advertising.
That's the wrong commercial too. I should have missed those
Allstate.
commercials. I was Allstate.
You're making me mess up. I'm trying to find 101.
101.
I mean 95.
Yes.
I wish I could drive it, but I can't.
You can't drive. You can't drive. She left me. She said, stop playing. You play too much. So you play too much.